Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, March 8th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile, SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And for a good part of the morning, as you can see, we've been trading either below the base of the price probe, which is L's low for all of us, or attempting to get above it. There has been some short covering, as you can see, from where we all settled. I had pre-market low, pre-market high is 423.03 or overnight high. Now, the overnight low I had at 417.90. Now I'm looking and seeing 413.90. We're going to see how close that lines up to ES when I get on voice later. Shorts and sellers still in control. Even if we open above the base of the price probe, we're firmly, for now, in the lower distribution. Remember, we had a triple distribution. We'll be treating yesterday as 3 separate days in SPY and ES. Russell's a double distribution. They only had one set of single prints, and triple Qs ended up a triple distribution also, as they had single prints in K and up at B. Buyers have their work cut out for them, right? We're down in both the monthly and the daily. The weekly is balanced for now, but right now the big target on the weekly for SPY and ES is the yearly low of 410.64 as far as the game plan this morning. And right now, Qs are $4 above where they would be going into bear territory again. Russell already in bear. Game plan for this morning. Well, any acceptance here, especially below the base of the price probe, which is L's low, I'm going to be looking for shorts for a couple of reasons. Number one, it shows you that where there were sellers late yesterday, they're there again. Number two, and probably as more important, is we would have value that's at least lower to start. So that would mean looking for shorts right now if we open below L's low and or the day's low, because then we should go and hit those destinations I said yesterday, which is the POC, the afternoon pullback, and then the weekly low of 410 or monthly low of 410.64 from February 24th. Those would be the destinations eventually on the downside. Now, if we open below L's low or below the day's low and come back in, well, first things first, I need to see some kind of acceptance back inside of yesterday's range, which would mean one-time framing up at some point, which would mean value that's at least unchanged. If that happens, then at least we have a chance to go trade to the top of the lower distribution, which is G's high. And then we'll see where we go from there. Can they take back one of these distributions? Can they take back E singles and get into the middle distribution? Those are things I'd look for. But you're not going to get that unless we get value unchanged, and we have to get some one-time framing up at some point. Again, I'm in wide increments here, so I'm not exactly sure how wide these POCs are. We'll figure that out once we go into the trading room and put the SPY and ES into one-tick increments. So for now, shorts below L and M. The only long I would look for is, again, if we get not only acceptance back into yesterday's value, but start getting some one-time framing up to test G's high. And then quickly on the chart, I'll just show you the daily, right? So as far as bears are concerned, they're firmly into February 24th range. Now they want to go finish it off. Right? They want to finish it off at some point and take back the afternoon pullback, the wide POC, and the yearly low. As far as bulls are concerned, they're doing everything possible to try to defend that and get some traction back into yesterday's range. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.